for the examination that is going to start from this 23rd, isn't it? So, don't be stressed while eating. You should be very calm, relaxed. Otherwise, if you are stressed, what happens? Your brain is engaged with that stress, and you know, I told you all these glands, digestive glands, they are involuntary in nature. Involuntary means not in our control. So, are they beyond any control? It's not so. They are controlled by our brain. Our brain is just sensed by one very big gland just attached to our brain here at the back, downwards in the brain, and this is known as the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. This pituitary gland controls all the other glands of our body, right? As this pituitary gland controls all the glands in our body, if the brain is stressed, lost in some other thoughts other than this digestion or nutrition process, then what will happen? This pituitary gland will sense or will be involved in sensing those aspects you are stressed with. And then what will happen? This pituitary gland will not able to control your salivary gland, will not able to control your liver, will not able to control your pancreatic gland, and sufficient amount or required amount of enzymes will not be secreted in the digestive system or alimentary canal, and the digestion process will be affected, resulting to dyspepsia or stomach problem. So, always remember, when you are at the dining table, you must not be stressed, you must not be afraid, you must not be overjoyed, just be relaxed and calm and take your food, right? That is one of the important causes of your dyspepsia or trouble in the stomach, that is your emotional conditions such as nervousness, anxiety and stress. Then inflammation of the stomach or gastritis. Sometimes what happens, because of unhealthy eating habit, this digestive system, parts of this digestive system are affected by some germs or some chemicals in the food that you have consumed unknowingly, and they may develop some sore, or they may develop some ulcers, or they get swollen. So, because of their disorder, not in proper order, a swelling, a burn, an infection, a sore. Sometimes people have sore in the throat, sometimes people have sore in the inner wall of this stomach, in the small intestine or in the large. These are the causes of dyspepsia or trouble in the digestive system, right? Another important reason for trouble in the stomach or digestive system is obesity. Remember this word, what I said? Obesity. 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 Right? What is obesity? Is a habit in people to have more food than the required, than their daily